So good morning all of you. Myself I am Ravin Kumar from Warangal. Today we will discussing about the topic is open loop in Kirchhoff's second law and also electric power, short circuit and overloading. Okay. One by one discussing. What is meant by open loop? Closed loop is this one, the closed loop is there. Means closed loop potential difference is 0. V is equals to 0. What is in the open loop? Open loop is the potential difference is not equals to 0. Okay. Here see the simple circuit is there. Here is the potential difference starting is VA and here is the ending VB. Okay, here is the resistance is 2 ohms, here is the 3 ohms. Current is passing from 5 ampere. The current is starting. The current is passing through the circuit is 5 ampere current is in this the circuit flowing is there. Okay, you will find out the potential difference. How much potential difference in this circuit is there? Okay, according to sign convention rule, here is the resistance. The resistance is moving right side. You will take in the negative. Left side you will moving. Current is moving in right side. You will take in the negative. Negative potential difference is there. You will take in the left side. Left side means the left side is there. Left side means the potential difference. You will take in the positive only. For example, battery also same similar. The current is moving from positive terminal to negative terminal. You will take in the negative. Quite opposite. The current is moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. You will take in the potential difference is positive. This is the sign convention rules. Here also same symbol. Write down the circuit equation. Okay, here is the potential differences. In this point is VA. Next, this is the moving in right side. Right side you will take in the positive or negative. Negative. Here is the negative potential difference across like the resistance. According to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. How much current passing through the resistance is 5 ampere. 5 into here is the resistance is V is equals to IR. I is 5 and R is 2. Minus here is the same signal also. Battery is moving from positive terminal to negative terminal. Positive to negative is negative potential difference. Negative. Here is the for example is 10 volts is there. Here is minus 10. Here is the same signal. Moving is left, right side is there. Minus 5. Same current passing through circuit. 5 into 3. It will be formed on the VB. In this the current will be formed on this the VB point. It is reached in this point. Means equals to VB. The total current is reached in this the last point is VB. Okay. Here is the potential difference. In this the VB comes this like this left side. VA minus VB. Here is the 5 to the 10, 10 and 5 to the 15. In this the total value will be goes right side. Here is the minus. Here is the negative. Negative means right side will become positive 10. Here is the negative 10. Right side will become positive 10. Here is the minus 15. 5 to the 15. Here is the negative 15. Right side will become positive 15. How much the VA minus VB? VA minus VB is the potential difference. 10, 10, 20 is 15, 35. How much the potential difference is there? VA minus VB is equals to VAB. 35 volts in this the potential difference is there. Open circuit. Okay, this is the open loop. Okay, next we will be discussing about the electric power. Electric power. Okay. For example, I will take in the conductor is there. This is the conductor is there. Here in this the conductor. it has some resistance is there. Or in this the ends of the conductor A and B, the ends of the conductor A and B is connected to the battery source and switch also. Battery means it has two terminals, positive terminal, negative terminal. Okay, in this one, okay. Here the switch is closed. The current is passing from positive terminal of battery to negative terminal of the battery. The current is passing through the conductor. Means some current is there. Current will be I. The current is passing through the conductor. Is I current is there. Conductor it has resistance is capital R. You will find out the how much power is there. Current passing the work done. Okay. Here is the means I means Q, charges are there, and it has some potential difference. Here is the ends with the potential difference is there. Here is the battery means potential. Here is the potential difference is in this point potential is VA. In this end point potential difference is VB. How much potential difference is there? VA minus VB. Okay. Here is the potential difference is and the charges are also moving in this conductor. Here is some work done is there. Charges are moving in one end to another end is moving is there. Some work done is there. Okay. In work done is electric field. Work done is electric field is equals to Q into V. The product of the charge into potential difference. Some work done per time also is there. Work done per time also. Charges are moving is one end to another end means some loss of energy. Work done means some energy is losses. Charges are losing by unit second or 1 second. Charges are moving in 1 second. 1 second means the time also. Work done by time. Here also charges are moving in one end to another end by we will take in the energy loss also. Work done means energy loss by we will take in the 1 second or unit second means work done by time or also QV by T. According to science definition, what is mean by power? Power is the rate work done by time is called as power. Work done by time is called as power. Here also same similar. W by T is equals to P. P is equals to QV by T. According to electric current, I is equals to Q by T. I is equals to Q by T. Here is the same similar. Q by T is there. Means I. This is same. V is same similar. Here is I. This is your electric power. P is equals to VI. The product of velocity, the product of potential difference in the current is called as electric power. P is equals to VI. According to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. Substitute in this equation, V is there. Substitute in the according to Ohm's law, P is equals to IR into I is equals to P is equals to I into I square R into R. This is one formula. Next, here we take in the I into I square. Okay. R is multiplying and dividing. R is multiplying and dividing. P is equals to I square R square by R. In this the equation R is multiplied and divided. R is multiplied and divided. R into R square by R. According to Ohm's law, IR whole square by R. According to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. V is equals to IR. Here is the IR whole square. V square by R. This is one formula. P is equals to V square by R. These three formulas are very important. P is equals to VI and P is equals to I square R. P is equals to V square by R. These three are very important for in the asking some problems in this the entrance level examinations. Okay, this is the electric power. Here is the electric power units also. Watts are there. The SI units of the electric power is watts. For example, 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts. 1 kilowatts hour. How much is there? Kilo means the 1000. 1 kilowatts is equals to 1000 watts into hour. Hour means 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 60 into 60 seconds is equals to, here is the 66, 6 into 6, 36 into 0, 0 into 3 zeros. 36 into 10 power 5. 36 into 10 power 5 joules per coulomb. Okay, this is the 1 kilowatt per hour. Okay, next see the, for example, in this nowadays bulbs we will give in the some values, resistance resistance value, and how much potential is applied in this the bulb. In this the bulb will be some marked values are there. For example, bulb potential is 120 volts are there, and resistance is 240 ohms. We will find out how much current passing through the bulb. Same according to P is equals to V is equals to IR. Same according to V is equals to IR. I is equals to V by R. According to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. I is equals to V by R. V is given and R is given. 120 by 240. 0, 0 cancel. 1 ja, 2 ja. 1 by 2 means 0.5 ampere. 0.5 ampere. Okay, for example, in this the bulb is given the values is voltage is 240 voltage and current is, for example, here the 12 amperes are there. Voltage is 240 voltage and current is 12 amperes. We will find out how much power. Okay, here also same similar. P is equals to VI. P is equals to VI. V means 240 and I is 12. How much is there? 240. 4 to 8. 2 to 4. 1 4 24 24 8 8 2. 2880 watts are there. Okay. Next let us discussing about the electric shock. Electric shock. Electric shock is there. Okay. What is meant by electric shock? Electric shock is the electric shock means for example I will touch it the electric shock is a combined circuit. Combined effect is there. It is the combination or combined effect. The relation between the potential difference and electric current and resistance. Electric shock is a combined effect. The relation between potential difference, electric current and also resistance. Okay. For example, unfortunately, I will touch in the any wire, it has some wire means the current is passing through our body, some chances will be died. For example, unfortunately, I will touch it the current wire. The current is passing through our body. It will be some chances will be died. Okay. For example, some situations will be it is effective means it is opposed. Shock means it is opposed the body. It will be some different is there. For example, it will be shocks are there. Some situations. Okay. For I will touch in the current wire means some current will be passing this there. Wire means it has some potential is there. In this the potential wire will be, for example, 240 volts. I will touch in the current wire. Current wire passing through potential is 240 volt. Current will be passing through voltage. Okay. Here will be I will contact the wire and also I will contact to earth ground. I will contact to earth ground. Here will be earth ground will be potential is zero potential. And here is the potential. Wire potential is 240 voltage. Zero potential. Because potential difference is there. The current will be passing from high potential to low potential region. High potential to low potential. Our body to earth. Means current is passing through our body. Whenever initial is the resistance of the human body is conducting wire. Resistance is some resistance is there. Initial will be resistance is more resistance, and current is passing through our body. In this the human body is the conducting wire, conducting material is there, conducting behaves like is there. Charges are moving to the body. Initial is the resistance is more is there. Means for example, whenever the charges are moving passing through our body, inside of the body is some organs and tissues are will be there. In this the tissues will be burns. Inside of the human body, current passing through our human body, organs and tissues will be burned. In this the burn means some less decreasing are there. Resistance also falls. Resistance also falls. Whenever resistance is decreasing, current is automatically increasing. Whenever resistance inside is there, organs and tissues will be decreasing. Why will be decreasing? It is the current is passing through the organs and tissues will be burned. That's why the resistance is decreasing, and automatically our current will be increasing. Current is increasing. What will happen? Current is reached the 0.07 ampere. The current is up to reach the some value 0.07 amperes. The human body will be die. The person is die in this situation. This is called as the electric shock. Resistance is decreasing, current is increasing. Human body will be die. In this the particular how much the current? In this the current is reaches the person will be die. This is the electric shock. Okay. Next one is the short circuit. Next one is the short circuit. Okay, what is mean by short circuit? Short circuit is the normal. Generally, we will simple circuit is there. Okay, in this the circuit will be some resistance, certain resistance is there. Circuit means generally we will write in the you will take any circuit. This is the simple circuit. Simple circuit has some certain resistance is there. Certain resistance. In this the resistance is falls down. Unfortunately or suddenly, resistance is decreasing, dropping. Automatically current will increase. Automatically current will be increased. Current is increasing and resistance is decreasing. Whenever resistance is drops or decreasing, current level automatically increasing, the wires will be burned. The wires will be burned. That is the short circuit. You will take whenever in this situation, any situation of this, resistance is decreasing, resistance is drops, and current level is increasing. More current passing through the conducting wires will be short circuit, wires will be burn due to heating effect. Current will be, the wires will be heated means after it will be burns like this. Okay. For example, in household, there are some two wires are there. Two wires mean one wire will be red wire, one wire will be black wire. Red and black. Red wire will be, it is high voltage is there, 240 voltage, and black wire is the neutral. Neutral is zero voltage. In this the two wires is connected to the bulb. The current is moving from high positive, high potential difference to low potential difference is moving like this. Okay. In this the two wires. For example, I will touch in the 240 voltage. The current is passing from in this the one to ground. It's moving like this there. Okay, this is the, and household series is there. This is the short circuit. Okay, next let us discussing about the overloading. For example, here I will take the one simple circuit is there. There are some three resistors are there. When the switch is closed, the current is passing from positive terminal to negative terminal. It has some three resistors are there. R1, R2, R3. Three resistors are there. And when the switch is closed, the current is passing from high positive potential to low positive region. Here is the, unfortunately, the wire will be bends like this. The wire will be bends like this. Here will be R2, R3. Resistance is decreasing. This is the current flows to the R1. Current is increasing. It is single region, single resistance is there, single R1 is there. That's why the current will be increasing. Current will be increasing automatically. Wires will be burns. Why will be burns? Some heated, due to heated, Joule's law. Whenever the current is passing through the conducting wire, after particular time it will be heated due to electrical heaters. For example, electrical heaters. Nowadays we will using the rice cookers and also a fan. That will be some, it can producing the heat energy. Here also same similar. The current is passing through the, here is the more current passing through the wires. Wire will be burned. Wire will be burns due to heating effect. Okay, this is the short circuit. Next one is the overloading. For example, I will take in the any situations, any homes or factories or organizations, it will be some particular value is there. The current is particular region, particular value is there. For example, in household the value, certain value is 20 amps. Household, particular certain current region is, current value is 20 amps. In this the 20 amps is the maximum limitations of the current value is there. Maximum current is there. In this the maximum current I will increasing. For example, in this the maximum current from fuse. It will be current is moving, passing through the fuse. Current is comes to the fuse. Here is the main wire is there. Out wire will be from poles comes to two wires are there. Two wires will be connected to the fuse. Fuse to next to AC, TV, we will using the different electrical components. Bulb, fan, both are different materials are there. In this the 20 amperes will come from fuse. Okay. For example, here I will take in the more current is given to fuse. More current will be outcomes. More current is given to fuse. More current will be outcomes. For example, here fuse will be here pattern. Certain will be fixed are there. Some coating, some conducting wire is there. Okay, tungsten or we will take in the metal wires are there. For example, here the maximum current of limitations of the wire. On switch on the on electrical components, TV and AC, and rice cooker and rice fan, bulb and also refrigerator, cooler. So many are switch on, and also some different electrical components will be switch on. The more current is there, in this the current will be more. 25 amperes are there. In this all components, it has some certain current is 25 amps. But in the fuse will be outcomes will be only 20 amps is there. Here is the 25 amps. Here is the inside. This is the fuse is there. Fuse will be come only 20 amps, but is in the 25 amps. Current will be more common. Current will be outward, means here is the it will be anything. It will be outcome of the fuse only 20 amps is there. Here this the electrical components get the 25 amps. This is the more current is there. More current means the some wires will be burns. This is the overloading. In this the fuse will be gives the only 20 amps is there. Here I will on all the switches. TV, AC and fan, different electrical components or refrigerator. Both are in. I will on the switches. It means in this I will added the amount of charges will be current will be 25 amps. Here only gives 25 amps. Means some overloading. The wires will be burns due to heating effect. Wires will burn due to heating effect. This is the overloading. For example, only 1 or 2 switches are on. Here the 20 amps, below the 20 amps is there. Here the above means the overloading. That is meant by overloading procedure is there. It is the very important. Okay, thank you. Okay. 2 coulombs of charge is passing through the conductor in 2 minutes. Conductor is there. Conductor is the current is passing through the conductor. It has some current is 2 coulombs. Charge is passing through the conductor in 2 minutes. We will find out the electric current. Here the charge is Q is equal to 2 coulombs. Charge units is coulombs. Next, time is equal to 2 minutes. This is very important problems. Very important for entrance level examinations. Okay. Time is 2 minutes. 2 minutes means here I will convert it into seconds. 2 into 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 2 into 60 is equals to 120 seconds. Okay. Q is there, time T is there. You will find out the electric current. Electric current means I is equals to how much? Same electric formula. I is equals to Q by T. I is equals to Q by T. Q is given. T is given. You will find out the electric current. Okay, substituting this the value Q means the 2 by here is 120. 2 1 to 60 ja. 1 by 60. I is equals to 1 by 60. Here is the amperes or coulomb per second. Ampere or coulomb per second. This is your current. Okay. See the second problem. If the 10 joules of work done to bring a charge value is 0.5 coulombs from infinity to given point, from infinity to given point, we will find out the potential difference. Okay, charge is given and also work done is given. You will find out the potential difference. Work done means W is equals to 10 joules is given and also charge is given. Charge means Q is equals to 0.5 coulombs. We find out the potential difference. Potential difference formula V is equals to W by Q. Substituting this the values 10 work done. Q means 0.5. Point is removing. Numerator will become 0. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 10 0. V is equals to 20 volts. V is equals to 20 volts. Okay. Next, see the next problems. The current is passing through the conductor. Area. Applied potential is current is passing through conductor. How much current is there? 10 coulombs. Applied potential is 12 volts. We will find out to find the resistance. How much resistance? Okay, I is given and V is given. You will find out the resistance according to Ohm's law. Ohm's law, what is meant by V is equals to IR. Same solution. I is equals to 10 coulombs. And here the potential is given. Battery source 12 volts. You will find out the R. V is equals to according to Ohm's law. V is equals to IR. And R is equals to V by I. Substituting is the values. R is equals to V. V is the 12 by I is 10. 2 5 ja, 2 6 ja. R is equals to 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja 1 and 1 is there. Point 1 point. R is equals to 1.2 ohms. Okay. And also R is equals to rho L by A. This is also very important formula. Length of the conductor and area is given. You will find and resistivity is given. You will find out the resistance. For example, resistivity you will find R is equals to rho is equals to RA by L. L length of the conductor and area is given and also R. For example, see the one problem. The current is passing through conductor of length is L is equals to 5 meters. Conductor length is 5 meter and cross sectional area is equals to 10. Cross sectional area is 10. Okay. Resistance of the conducting material is, for example, we will take in the 12 ohms. You will find out the resistivity. The current is passing through the conductor. Conductor length is 5 meters and cross sectional area of the conductor is 10 millimeter. Millimeter means 10 millimeter square. Okay. Here's the resistance of the conductor is 12 ohms. To find out the resistivity. Same R is equals to, this is the formula. Rho is equals to R is equals to rho L by A. The length of the conductor is directly proportional to resistance. The area of the conductor is inversely proportional to resistance. Okay. Converting this way. RA by L. A is comes like this. RA by L. Rho is equals to RA by L. Substituting this the values. R means 12 and in cross sectional area is 10. By length of the conductor is 5. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 12 2 ja 24 resistance. Where this is your resistivity. Okay. Next, Kirchhoff laws. Kirchhoff laws means it has two laws are there. Kirchhoff laws, there are two laws are there. First one is the junction law, second one is the loop law. Okay. In this the problems given the Kirchhoff junction law. First law or junction law. Here is the 5 coulombs or 5 amperes. And here is the 2 ampere, here is the 3 ampere, here is the 4 ampere. We will find out this one. Four charges are given. We will find out the remaining. Same, sigma is equals to 0. Here is the incident according to sign. This is very important. Incidents are we will take in the positive. Outward. This is the inward. Inward is the positive. Outward will be taken the negative. Here is the I1 incident ray. Incident. I1 plus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equals to 0. I1 how much the value 5 and I2 2 and I3 3 minus here is I4 minus 4 I5 is minus 5. 5 to 7 5 to 7 7 3 to 10 10 minus 4 6 I5 is come I5 is equals to 6 amperes. I5 is equals to 5 to 7 7 3 plus 7 plus 3 10 10 minus 4 6. This is the positive. I5 will be here negative. This one will be positive. I5 is equals to 6 amps. Kirchhoff second law. Second law means this one. This is the 2 ohms, here 4 ohms. Here is the batteries. For example, 6 volts battery is connected to the. In this the loop is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. Triangle. Here is the loop is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A. We will find out the potential difference. Kirchhoff first law is the law of conservation of charge. Second law is the law of conservation of potential difference. V. Okay. This is the loop is the A, B, C, D, A. Okay. Here we are taking the first one. This is the right side. Right side we are taking the negative. Means how much current is passing through? 5. 5 ampere current is passing through the circuit. Means 5 2 ja 10. Here also same symbol. Minus 5 4 ja. Current according to same V is equals to IR. Potential difference crossing the R1 resistance. V is equals to IR. I means the 5 and R is 2. 5 into 2. And here also same thing. Potential difference according to R2. 5 same current. 5 into 4. I is 5. R is 4. 5 into 4. Next here is the current. Current is moving negative to positive. Here we will take the positive. Here is the plus 6. Plus 6. How much the value is there? Minus 5 to 10. Minus 5 4 20. Minus for example, this is the V is there. V is there. Is equals to 0. equals to 0 plus V equals to 0. For example, total circuit, this is the closed circuit. Closed circuit means potential difference is 0. 0. How much the potential difference is there? Battery V equals to, here is the minus 30, 10 plus 20, 30. This one will be 30 volts. The battery is 30 volts. Like this problems we will ask in this entrance level exam. This is the second right there. Next one is the next to series and parallel. Resistance are in series parallel, very very important. When the three resistors are in series connection, R1 is equals to 5 ohms, R2 is equals to 10 ohms, R3 is equals to 15 volts. Is connected to the series connection, connected to batteries 10 volts. You will find out the effective resistance. You will find out the effective R effective resistance. Series connection formula is R effective is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, so on so on. R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus here the only 3 resistance. I will take in the only 3 resistance. What are the values? 5 plus 10 plus 15. R effective is equals to 5 plus 10 plus 15. Okay. R is equals to 20 plus 30. R value is 30 and V is given. Potential difference and V potential difference is 10 volts. We will find out the I. We will find out the how much current passing through circuit. I. Electric current we will find out. Same according to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. I is equals to V by R. V means 10 by 30. 0 0 cancel is equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 0.003 amperes. This is 0.33 current passing through circuit is there. Okay, same resistance connected in parallel connection. Same, values are the same. 5 ohms, 10 ohms, 15 ohms. We will find out the effective resistance. Three resistance are the connection, parallel connection. We will find out the effective resistance and battery is 10 volts is given. Okay, how much current also you will find out. Okay. R effective resistance. Parallel connection is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, so on so on. 1 by R effective is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, so on so on. Here is the R1 is 5 ohms, 1 by 5. R2 is 1 by 10. R3 is 1 by 15. We will find out the LCM. 5, 10, 15. 15 is LCM. Here is the 5 3 jam plus 5 2 jam. 5 10 15. LCM is 5 1 5 2 jam 5 3 jam 5 to 10. LCM is 30. LCM is 30. 5 6 jam 30. Next 10 3 jam 30. Next 5 to 15 2 jam 2. And 6 plus 3 9 11 by 30. 1 by R is equals to 11 by 30. R is equals to 30 by 11. 1 by R is equals to 11 by 30. R is equals to 30 by 11. You will find out the same current also. R is equals to 30 by 11 and V is equals to 10. We'll find out how much current passing in the circuit according to Ohm's law. V is equals to IR. I is equals to V by R. V is equals to 10 and R is equals to 30 by 11. Means 10 into 11 by 30. Here 11 goes to numerator. And 10 into 11 by 30. 10 1 ja, 10 3 ja. I is equals to 11 by 3. 3 3 ja. 9. 2 is there. 3 6 ja. Is equals to 3.63 ampere current passing through circuit. This is the series parallel is very important for entrance exams. Okay. This is your problem. Thank you.